Hey, welcome to another tutorial from WordPress Page Builders Academy. We have an extensive library of tutorials for all the top WordPress page builders. So be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you see them when they come out. Okay, now on to today's tutorial. Hey, in today's tutorial, Elementor tutorial, we will be going over how to create this Underline effect in your navigation menu. It's pretty quick and easy with Elementor, so let's get right to it, okay? So we're just going to do this with a little copy and paste CSS code that we'll make available through a link in the description box. But all you need to do is copy that and paste it in, and change it to your liking. The colors and stuff like that. So that's what we'll do. So go ahead and just open your navigation menu template, your header template or footer template, if that's what you're doing. Once you're in the editor, click on the menu itself to edit it and go to the Advanced tab. Once you're in there, you go down to the Advanced tab, and this is the code that you put in. Hey, we've got a quick favor ask. If you've made it this far into that tutorial, please smash that like button. It will really help out this channel in these tutorials. Okay, now back to the actual tutorial. Thank you. So by selecting that specific element and using the selector keyword here, Elementor automatically knows that you are editing the CSS for that specific element, right? So you'll have to remember CSS classes or CSS IDs. That's pretty neat. So we'll go over the code a little bit here to talk about what it does and how you can modify it to your liking, okay? And again, we will have this code as a link in description box. You can access it, and then with the link, there's actually some additional CSS code that you could add into the existing code right now to do more with the navigation links, if that's what you want to do. Anyway, let's pop up the CSS code right now, okay? So the first part of code is just the positioning, the padding, and z-index. So the z-index set to 1 in case your text is above the background, okay? The colored background. The second part is just adding spaces between the items, between both sides, right? Enough ensuring that there's a margin. So here we are doing alternating background colors. So you see odd links in navigation is pink, and even links are yellow. So right here we have right here the odd color is pink on top and white on bottom, yellow top, white on bottom for even. And so you could change this. So if you want to highlight the whole link, whole navigation menu, each link or navigation menu, top air bottom, then you change the colors there to mix to your liking. And then this last part of the code, it creates a pseudo element, empty pseudo element. So basically, the background color is yellow unless otherwise specified. It's in the background, and z-index is -1 to show that the background is always behind text. So this pseudo element allows you to play with the color scheme of top and bottom of the navigation menu. The top 50% of navigation menu, or in bottom 50% navigation menu. So this pseudo only allows you to play around with the code scheme. So yeah, that's it. Again, we have this code on our website, indexed in the link in the description box, and we have additional CSS code that you could add to this code also. So yeah, if you appreciate this video, give us a thumbs up, and also if you have any questions or comments, leave in the description box below. And please make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified of new videos coming out. Okay, all right, thank you.